Meaning of eschatology.
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 Eschatology. Eschatology is the branch of theology concerned with the end of the world. It explores themes such as judgment, heaven and hell, resurrection, and the final destiny of humanity and the universe. In a broader sense, eschatology refers to any belief about the ultimate fate of humanity or the universe. It often involves ideas of a final battle between good and evil, the coming of a Messiah, or the end of time itself. Eschatological beliefs have been prominent in many religions and have inspired a wide range of artistic and cultural works throughout history.